Have you ever seen cables routed through a wall like this? He starts by drilling a large opening exactly where the lines need to pass through. After that, he sprays water inside the hole to help the expanding foam bond properly to the surface. Next, he fills all the empty gaps with expanding foam, sealing the opening tightly around the cables. Once the foam fully expands and hardens, the area looks messy at first, but that's completely normal. Then he grabs a utility knife and carefully trims away all the excess foam for a much cleaner finish. Before trying something like this yourself, always make sure it follows local building codes and safety requirements. But the most satisfying part is watching both cables pass cleanly through the sealed opening while everything stays tight, insulated, and protected.